Question 1. The current in a resistor is measured as 2 amps plus or minus 0.02 amps. So this 0.02 amps is the absolute uncertainty. Which of the following correctly identifies the absolute uncertainty and the percentage uncertainty in the current? So this is our absolute uncertainty, so it would either be there or there. So it's either going to be A or C. But what about the percentage uncertainty? Well, to work out the percentage uncertainty, you need to put your 0.02 over 2. That gives you your fractional uncertainty. And then when you multiply that by 100, that gives you your percentage uncertainty. So that's going to be 0.01, and when you divide that, it becomes 0.01, and you multiply by 100, you do like that, so that's going to be 1%. So your answer will be A, 1% plus minus 1%. 2. Which of the following lists only two vector quantities? So mass is a scalar, scalar, scalar. This is a vector, scalar, scalar. This is a vector, and a vector, and this is a vector, a scalar, and a vector. So it's going to be D. Now you need to, over the learning of this course, know which are your vectors and which are your scalars. Remember, a scalar, you're only interested in the magnitude, how much, but with the vector, there is always a direction to it. Always there's a direction and also a magnitude. So Samantha walks along a horizontal path in the direction shown. The curved path is a semicircle. The magnitude of her displacement from point P to Q is approximately. Now for displacement, we are looking at purely from the beginning to the end. So we're actually going to be looking at that distance over there. Now if this 2 meters over here, if that is 2 meters, then that's a semicircle, then obviously we're going to have this distance over here would be 2 meters, or 4 meters. So we're going to have that would be 8 meters. Now if they were asking for the distance, then you would have had to have calculated this length over here by using your pi radius, which is equal to the 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. You would have had to have worked all out if you're looking at distance, but because you're looking at displacement, all you're interested in is going from there straight across to there. And for question 4, an object falls for a time of 0.25 seconds. The acceleration of the fall is 9.81 meters per second. The displacement is calculated. Which of the following gives the correct number of significant digits for the calculated value of the displacement? So in your answer, you always give your answer to the least accurate. So here we have your time is 0.25. So that's to 2 significant figures, and 9.81 is to 3 significant figures. So we would use therefore our answer would be in 2 significant figures. So B would be the correct answer for that.